Hello student, how are you? I think you are well and you are staying home safe and sound with your family members. Now I would like to introduce myself. I am Rukhsana Begum, Assistant Teacher, English, Srimongol Government Girls High School, Srimongol, Monibazar. Today I am going to take an English class for the student of class 9. Now student, let us go our main activities. Dear student, take your pen and exercise book because you have to write a passage. Okay. Rima and Shima are twins. Rima and Shima are twins. They are all ears as well as up and doing. As their school is closed for pandemic situation, they attend online school. As their school is closed for pandemic situation, they attend online school. So they are benefited. Here's some new word for you. Like as all ears means very attentive, as well as it's a phrase. It means and, up and doing. That means active. Up and doing means active. Okay? Now, look at here some words are underlined. Can you say what words are underlined? I know you are answering. And, as well as, and, so. Dear student, can you say me what are they? I know you are trying and answering. They are connectors. Yes, they are connectors. Sentence connectors. Today our lesson is sentence connector. Sentence connector. Sentence connector is a new item for you, isn't it? Yeah. So you have to know, at first you have to know what is sentence connector. If you know what is sentence connector, then you can easily apply it. Okay? So, what is sentence connector? Sentence connectors are the words that are used to connect two or more words. Phrases and clauses. Besides, they maintain coherence of the sentences. Now, I read out the definition again for your benefits. Sentence connectors are the words that are used to connect two or more words, phrases and clauses. Besides, they maintain coherence of the sentences. Do you know what do you mean by coherence? Okay, I am saying coherence means harmony or flow of thought. Now go back the passage. Rima and Shima. Dear student, look at here and has to phrases, and as has added to clauses, and so has maintained coherence. Can you understand? Okay, I repeat it. And here two words, Dima and Shima, and then phrases, all ears and up and doing, and as clauses, as has connected to clauses, and so has maintained coherence. Dear learners, do you know what parts of speech are used as sentence connector? Okay, I am telling you. Check your answer with me. Generally, preposition, noun, conjunction are not used as connector. Dear student, I repeat it. What parts of speech are used as connectors? Generally, conjunction, some adverb and some phrases are used as connector. Okay? Now we are going to discuss some important connectors. Okay. To maintain sequence, you can use firstly, at first, at the beginning, in the middle, at the end, then finally in conclusion, etc. Now write an example. I entered the class. Full stop. Dash. I said something. Full stop. Dash. I started the class. Now write the answer in comment box. Right? Have you written? I know you have written. You can use in first gaps, first, at first, or at the beginning, You can use any word. All answer will be right. Here you can use first or at first or at the beginning. And second gap, you can use secondly. And in third gaps you can write finally, in conclusion, etc. And all answer will be clear. So the answer connector may be any right connector will be accepted. So your answer may be different from your friends. Okay? And there are some connectors here. To add extra information, you can use beside moreover, furthermore, in addition to, etc. Here there is a example. She is a brilliant student. Dash, she is a good singer. Write the answer. What will be here? Okay. Here you can write besides, moreover, furthermore, in addition to. All are correct. All are correct. You can write besides, or moreover, or addition to. Okay. All answer is correct. Have you written? Okay. Now, to give example. To give example, you can use for example, such as, namely, like, for instant. Okay? Any word is acceptable. Here, an example. Now is a naming word. Now is a naming word. Dash, Tipu, Srimangol, Da, Padma, etc. What will you use? You can use. You can use. For example. For example. For example, or such as. You can use any word. Okay? Dear student, to show similarity, you can use similarly in the same way, in the same manner, and likewise, etc. There is an example here. Maisha likes visiting. Full stop. Get. Her friends are fond of it. Write down the answer. Have you written? Okay. Here you can use similarly. Similarly. You can write similarly in the same way, in the same manner as you like. Okay? All are correct. Now, to show contrast. To show contrast, you can use on the other hand, in contrast, but, yet, still, nevertheless, etc. Here there is an example. He is rich. He is rich. Full stop. Dash. He is a miser. He is a miser. Answer quickly. Okay, I say. Here you can use. You can use but, yet, still, any word you like. Okay? Student, if you want to emphasize, you have to use in fact, actually, as a matter of fact, indeed, etc. Okay? Here there is an example. The man helps the poor. Dash, he is a large-hearted person. Write down the answer. Have you written? Okay. Here you can use actually, in fact, In fact, to express effect, you can use so, therefore, as a result, hence, consequently, etc. Okay? Here there is an example. She studied regularly, full stop. Dash, she made a good result. Okay? Here you can write so or as a result, hence, you can write any word you like. Okay. Dear student, today we have learned what is connector, what partial speech are used as connector, and then we have learned some important connector. I hope you will practice these connectors from your grammar book. Okay? Here there are some sentences for you homework. I am going to read out the sentences. A. Moni is ill-tempered. Full stop. He does not go to school. Full stop. Dash. He is a smoker. Okay? B. There are various kinds of fruits in Bangladesh. Dash. Mango, banana, lychee, coconut, etc. C. We are staying home. Full stop. Dash. We are safe. D. Our school has scarcity of teachers. Full stop. Dash. The authority has opened online school. E. Education removes our ignorance. Full stop. Dash. It makes a man liberal. Okay? Have you written? Okay. Dear student, thank you very much for your cooperation and attend the class. Now, I would like to thank all my students and viewers. See you again in another class.